For this Google Classroom, we're going to be doing a couple of different things. Each time you have a new section, there'll be a new direction video, so make sure you watch it so you know what you have to do. On the first part of this Google Classroom, we're going to be finding the shapes that are given, and we're going to be coloring them. This one says find all of the triangles and color them. Now, if you can't read the word, I gave you the shape and a colored shape behind it, so you have a little bit of a clue. So we're going to find all the triangles on this screen. Now you're probably wondering, how in the world am I going to color on a computer? I'm going to show you. The first thing you need to do is click on a triangle that you find. Make sure that it's selected. Then you're going to go up to this top toolbar. You see where all of this stuff is? You're going to find the paint can with a little paint dripping out of it. It looks like this. If I hover over it, it says fill color. I'm going to click that paint can, and then it opens up a whole bunch of different colors. You can pick any of those colors you want to, as long as it's not dark, because if it's dark, then I can't see it for this dark background. So I'm going to choose turquoise. So see, now this triangle is colored turquoise. I just colored it. All right, now I'm going to keep hunting and see if I can find any other triangles on my screen. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to select it. See how it has that box around it, the blue box? That means I've clicked on it, and that's the one I'm going to work with. I'm going to go up to my paint can, and I click on my paint can, and you can either use the same color as you just used, or you can use a different color. I'm going to use yellow this time. Okay, and then let's keep looking. There's another one in the corner. I selected it. I'm going to go up to my paint can, click on the paint can, and pick a different color. I'm going to pick purple this time. And then I see one last one. Select it so it's blue. Go up to my paint can and then pick a color that I want it to be filled in with. Just like that. And then you just colored all of your triangles. Then you're going to go down and do the rest of those. Remember, each slide is a different shape that you're finding. And then when you get to the next section, find the direction video and see what you have to do.